Instantiation is the process of creating an instance of a class, which allows access to the class's members, methods, properties, fields, and enables the creation of objects. When you instantiate a class, you use the new keyword, which allocates memory for the object and calls the class's constructor to initialize the object. Instantiation allows you to create multiple instances of a class, each with its own set of data. Once an object is instantiated, you can interact with it by calling its methods, setting its properties, and accessing its fields.